Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to give a brief overview about a landmark case which is Pramati Educational and Cultural Trust and others versus Union of India and others. It is a 2014 judgment and the citation for which is 11 SCR 712. So the articles referred in these cases are Article 19 Clause 1 Subclause G, which relates to right to practice any profession, and the other one is Article 30 Clause 1, which relates to right of minority institutions. And in this case some of the relevant provisions of the Indian Constitution as well as Medical Council of India and Dental Council of India were also referred. So the case focuses on the challenge to the legality and constitutionality of NEET, which is a common entrance test for undergraduate and postgraduate medical courses. In this case, the petitioner argued that NEET violated the autonomy of private educational institutions guaranteed under Article 19 Clause 1 Subclause G, which is right to practice any profession, and Article 30 Clause 1, which is right of minority institutions of the Indian Constitution. So in this case, the Supreme Court was of the opinion that NEET is constitutionally valid and does not infringe upon the rights of private educational institutions. In this case, the court emphasized the importance of transparency, fairness, and merit-based selection in medical admissions, which NEET aims to achieve. It ruled that the right to establish and administer educational institutions is subject to reasonable regulations that ensure the quality and integrity of education system in India. The judgment highlighted the need for a uniform entrance test to prevent malpractices and reduce financial burden upon the students to maintain consistency in admissions. The court recognized the role of NEET in promoting, eliminating capability fees and replacing multiple entrance exams. It held that the authority of Medical Council of India and Dental Council of India to conduct NEET and prescribe regulations of medical course admissions, and thus for the same, the judgment emphasized the balance between the autonomy of educational institutions and the public interest in ensuring quality education and healthcare. In this case, the private institutions were directed to cooperate with the NEET system and comply with the admission process while safeguarding the minority rights if applicable. This case also addresses reservation policies and provided exemptions for NEET's applicability to minority institutions in accordance with the constitutional provisions. So if you have any doubt regarding this case, you can just ping in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a nice day.